A tornado is a mobile, destructive vortex of violently rotating winds having the appearance of a funnel-shaped cloud and advancing beneath a large storm system.
Plain land. Flat land allows wind to move around freely as there are no mountains or obstructions to block the wind. On plain land, there are winds from different directions which cause the cone of the tornado to rotate. Tornadoes tend to occur in countries with high moisture levels in the atmosphere, so that the moisture will clash with the cold and dry air and start to form a tornado. It is common in places with dry or dry-cold climate, as the cold air will be coming in from one place and the dry air will be coming in from another. So it happens more in places that are surrounded by other countries, cities, or states. Although most often recorded in the United States, tornadoes can occur worldwide. Some other countries include Australia, the United Kingdom, South Africa, and Japan. Most often, however, tornadoes happen in the United States and Canada. The conditions for the formation of tornadoes are ideal here.
Tornadoes happen in intense heat where the ground temperatures increase, so moist air heats up and rises. When warm air meets cold air, it explodes upwards into the layer above. A storm will quickly develop and the upward movement from the air can start to speed up rapidly. Winds from different directions cause it to rotate. Afterwards, a cone or funnel can be seen coming out of the clouds to the ground. The Enhanced Fujita Tornado Intensity Scale is a system that measures the impact of damage from a tornado. It has 6 rankings, EF0 to EF5, where 0 and 1 are weak, 2 and 3 are strong, and 4 and 5 are violent. The original scale was created by Dr. Ted Fujita in 1971, originally called the Fujita Tornado Scale, but he developed the system into a better model, which is now known as the EF scale.
Tornadoes have many symptoms before the storm actually hits. The first is that there is strong and continuous rotation in the cloud bases. Dead calm or rapid intense wind shifts after rain or hailstorms often accompanies tornadoes. It is possible to hear loud rumbles for a long period of time or see bright small flashes during the day. Also, if there is persistent lowering from the cloud bases, it may be a sign that a tornado is approaching. Tornadoes are dangerous because the force of the wind can suck in anything that doesn't have enough force to withstand the powerful wind shifts. Anything from humans, animals, houses, cars, and trees can be sucked into a tornado. It also causes great negative effects on the ecosystem as it destroys everything in its path. Secondary damage from falling debris or the tornado is also very dangerous.
Before a tornado, ensure that your family has a safety plan installed so you know what to do during and after a tornado. Ensure that your house has a basement or a safe room underground or on the first floor, and make sure that if the tornado does come near you, that the storm that it might bring does not flood your basement with you and or your family in it. Your family should be taught how to use the first aid material and know where the first aid box and fire extinguisher are. During the time when the tornado is near you, try to get lower than the level of the roadway, lie on the ground and cover your head with your hands. However, while in a building, try to get to the lowest floor possible. After the tornado has passed, check yourself and the people near you. Apply first aid if you can. Do not remove people that are in serious condition unless there is a chance that that person will get even more injuries.